Hey, Max here. Even with an electronic drum set, I used to get complaints, especially from the neighbor in the apartment below me. Trying to fix that, I managed to find a cheap used isolation platform. It uses resonators from a specific material that reduce vibrations going through the floor. It helped a bit, but the noise was still too much. So I bought new Roland VQD106 drums. Here's how they sound unplugged. In addition to my isolation platform, the new frame and both pedals have their own isolation, reducing noise even more. And of course, all the pads are so much quieter.